Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel, That's Tech Shop. I am humbled to see and hear opinions of everybody. Thank you. And today we're going to learn about the VirtualBox and its own functions. My name is Andreas. I have uh, been teaching for server administrative, networking, and two different tiers of support for computers, hardware, and software functions. I have an extensive knowledge and experience of the level 2 support and tier level 3 supports for computers and electronics, learning about different, teaching a different type of lesson for servers, for Windows operating system, networking, desk support, how to handle ticketing systems, to troubleshoot main different types of components, hardware and software wise. So this is my brief introduction from me, and let's go ahead and continue with the VirtualBox operating system. So VirtualBox, I'm going to show you is that I have it here. It's made by Oracle VM. It's a virtual machine, which it's a VirtualBox manager here that contains many type of operating system, but I only have two so far that you will see in my screen. You'll see two different server 2016s. One is made as a domain controller, and the other one is going to be an SCCM. So let's talk about what is a VirtualBox. It's an open source application that allows users to run additional operating system environments from their desktop, of their Macs, or PCs. What are the elements of the virtual machines? The elements of the virtual machines are sets of files that support operating systems and application independent of a host operating system. Typical VMs include BIOS, configuration, and disk files. In other words, they are software-only implementations of computers that execute programs just like a conventional system. What are the features of Oracle VirtualBox, you will say? The following is a brief of outline for Oracle VirtualBox main features. The portability, no hardware virtualization required, guest additions, share folders, seamless Windows, 3D visualizations, great hardware support, multi-generation branches snapshots, VM groups, clean architecture, and unprecedented modularity. So, with one word, it is a platform that is made from Oracle system to handle other operating system inside this virtual machine without breaking down your main operating system. There are two types of virtual machines. One virtual machine is virtual machine type 1 and virtual machine type 2. Virtual machine type 1 is direct hypervisors. Hypervisors means that they are virtual machine implementation directly into the main systems. And type 2 are like applications, virtual machine application that like Oracle VirtualBox that we're talking about right now, VMware, Virtual Machine Hypervisor, and there are some other types of virtual machines like a Hyper-V that comes from servers. VDI is a type of type 1 of virtual machine. I think okay, I forgot what OS can I install with a VirtualBox. So, as far as operating system installed on a virtual machine, running inside the VirtualBox can be installed on a Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Solaris, FreeBSD. On a VirtualBox, you can run virtual machines with Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Solaris, Novel Network, and other types of virtual machines. This is what makes a VirtualBox platform a wonderful system for you and I, as a student, as a teacher, to have an experience, a testing experience with many different operating systems and being able to learn without breaking down your main system. This is a wonderful platform. So I think this is a short topic, a short introduction just about the VisualBox. I think you're learned what is VirtualBox and what are the functions. The unit 2 that I will teach will be about more depth of the VirtualBox. What are the attributes to some of the components, some structures that each machine that is installed will have. But for now, thank you very much. I'll see you on the next class on the unit 2. Bye.